What about B division CR?
Sir, I'll just confirm with them. Just a minute.
B division CR. Tanya, are you there, Tanya? Ojaswita? Tanya and Ojaswita, are you there? Any CR? Even last time also Ojaswita was not there. We will wait for some more time and then think of replacing her as CR. She is not fit to be a CR. Tanya? Hello, Khadija, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ojaswita's grandparents and all are is ill and she's home alone, so she has to take care.
क्या हुआ?
उसके ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स बीमार है तो एंड शी इज होम अलोन, लाइक अभी घर पे अकेली है वो.
बाकी के पेरेंट्स कहाँ हैं?
वो नहीं पता, उसने मेरे को बताया अभी.
So may I?
Yeah, Khadija, start.
असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युमा अनृतगुर्मय.
एक मिनट. मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय.
मृत्युर्मा अमृतम गमय. ओम शांति शांति.
शांति 3 दफे बोलने का.
शांति शांति शांति.
यस.
सहनावतु
सहना ववतु.
सहना ववतु.
सुनिए, मेरे बात बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं. सहनौ भुनक्तु.
सहनौ भुनक्तु.
सहवीर्यम करवावहै.
सर्वीर्यम कहा.
सहवीर्यम, सुनिए मुझे. सहवीर्यम करवावहै.
सहवीर्यम करवावहै.
तेजस्विना वधितमस्तु. मां विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
ओम शांति शांति शांति.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामय. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चिद् दुःख भाग भवेत्. या दुःख भाग भवेत्. Yeah, thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So there are about 45 people from A division and about 36 people from B division. 37. Yes, where were we? Moksha? Moksha Sharma?
Yes, sir.
Where were we? What was the last slide? You remember it now? Yes, you write down the, when we complete the lecture, just write down the name of the slide number. You just remember.
Okay,
so that,
sir.
Yeah. I will just share here and you let me know whether this was done or not.
Okay, sir.
Does anybody remember? Kushi? Kinnari, are you there?
Sir, I did not attend last.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Who said she did not attend?
So me,
Sir,
Kushi, I was not well.
Kushi was not there because she was not well, I think. Ojaswita is coming now. Kinnari?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ थे हम? Any idea?
Sir,
Charmi Balsara? Charmi,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
good morning. Do you remember where were we? There is Balsara in TY BCom also. Are you related to that Balsara?
What's the name?
I think Sneha.
No, sir.
मोक्षा देखो ये हो गया था.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was done. 35 was done. What about this entry of internet?
No, sir. We were supposed to start with this.
गुलनाज अंसारी, आप सिर्फ 9 मिनट लेट है, ज्यादा नहीं. Okay, 7:40 I will close. Nobody will get an entry after 1 minute. So we are learning evolution of advertising, history of advertising, how advertising has grown. There are 4 important stages in the life of advertising. First stage was pre-printing era. What was there before printing technology came into existence? And the story started with almost 6,000 years before, 5,000 years before. And it continued till 14th century of this period. So in 1450, the printing press was invented in Gutenberg, Germany, and printing technology came into existence. So B stage was newspaper print era strategy, we can say. Newspaper and magazines era strategy. C is radio and television, and D is internet, the era in which you all live, you are born. Yeah, Moksha.
Should I start reading?
Yeah, you can read.
Okay. Entry of internet era. The internet opened new frontiers for advertisers in 1990s. At the turn of the 21st century, a number of websites, including the search engine Google, started with online advertising.
Now, Moksha, with that we complete, talking about evolution of advertising in the other parts of the world. Now we are going to focus about evolution of advertising and major milestones in our country. How it has grown, how it has evolved. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just a minute. Let me check last time whether nobody is there. So now it is enough. Yes, Moksha.
Yes, sir. Evolution of advertising in India, major milestones. Indian advertising starts with the hawkers calling out their goods rights from the days when cities and markets first began.
Yes. आज भी है hawkers, yes or no? Coming near to our homes, near to our buildings, selling so many things, maybe fruits, maybe vegetables, maybe collecting the old garbage, old raddi, yeah, maybe selling some utensils. तो छुरी चप्पू की धार निकालने वाला भी इसमें आ जाता है आजू बाजू में. So he is, अलग अलग स्टाइल से वो भंगार बेचने वाला, भंगार लेने वाला भी आता है, रद्दी लेने वाला भी आता है. They all are doing nothing but a kind of advertising, telling people that they have arrived. In case if you want our services, we are available, that kind of things. So hawkers were like, like street callers, telling orally what they had to offer, calling out their goods right from the days when cities and markets first began in India, thousands years before.
Yes, sir. 1780, James Hickey brought out the first newspaper in India called Hickey's Bengal Gazette.
Gazette, yes. It was the name of a newspaper started by a Britisher. For your kind information, India was ruled by more than 250 years by Britishers. And their headquarter was not in New Delhi, it was in Kolkata. Am I right, Moksha? Moksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, their headquarter, British headquarter was in Kolkata. Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ, भूल गई, इतिहास भूल गई. And this was a newspaper started by these gentlemen.
Ads appeared for the first time in print in Hickey's Bengal Gazette.
Yes, and those people who were doing business, so many British companies were doing business, particularly the retailers, the traders, the trading work. They started giving small advertisement, जिसको हम कहते हैं classified advertisements in this newspaper.
The earliest ads were mostly classified ads by retailers of largely imported goods.
Yes, all British companies, for British people, they used to import from their country, from Britain mainly, from England, and England was ruling throughout so many countries in the world at that time, that empire. So they were advertising for imported goods.
Retailers like Spencer's, Army and Navy, Whiteaway and Laidlaw were the early advertisers.
Yes, Spencers are still there in our country. Of course, now the ownership has changed. From Britishers, it has come into the hands of Goenka Group of Kolkata. So they were the major retailers who were importing and doing classified advertisements to sell their products, to give notice, to inform people about that they are selling these products in their shops.
Birth of the oldest Gujarati newspaper. The Bombay Samachar, now Mumbai Samachar, is the oldest continuously published newspaper in India, established on 1st July 1822 by Fardunji Mazban.
Yes, a Parsi. So this newspaper, for your kind information, Parsis speak Gujarati. Though their Gujarati accent is slightly different, but they do still, and this was started by Parsi. It is even owned by Parsi today. And about 7 days before this newspaper completed 199 years of existence and started its 200th year's journey, Moksha.
Yes.
1st July 1822, and we are in the stage of July 1920 to 2021. So 199 years. Times of India is not the oldest newspaper, remember. Times of India came very late. This was the oldest surviving newspaper is Mumbai Samachar. And ये फोर्ट एरिया में उसका बिल्डिंग है, वहां इसके ऊपर लिखा है दिस कलर, रेड कलर का ऐसा ब्रिक काइंड ऑफ डिजाइन वाला बिल्डिंग है वहां. Kinnari, thank you, Moksha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Kinnari, you will read.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Birth of an ad agency in India.
Yes, birth of an ad agency in India.
B.
दत्ताराम के साथ जाएगा, 1905 के साथ नहीं जाएगा. B Dattaram, like
Okay.
that kind of. C Arjun.
Dattaram.
Yeah. B Dattaram was the name of an ad agency. Yes.
B. Dattaram's India's first advertising agency was set up in Mumbai.
Yes, B Dattaram was the first ad agency of India, which was set up in Mumbai.
By the 1920s, other agencies like Gujarat Advertising and Alien Advertising had come up.
Yes, Gujarat Advertising and Allied Advertising also started their business.
In 1930s, the talkies and radio emerged.
Yes, the talkies means theaters. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Where you are going to see movie, Milap Theater. So Milap Talkies. Yes. And radio came. दुनिया में रेडियो was invented in 1924. भारत में 6 साल, thanks to Britishers. It came to our country.
Color movies started.
Yes, color movies. Till that time, movies were films were black and white. But in 1930s, the technology came into our country and color pictures started.
The first Indian agency that offered both creative work as well as space selling was Sita's in 1934.
जरा ठीक से ध्यान से पढ़िए, yeah, so that there is no mistake in what you read. The first Indian ad agency which offered both creative work as well as space selling work was Sistas, not Sitas. Sistas in 1934. Dattaram was just selling the space. It was not doing creative work in those days. So 29 years का gap है किन्नरी इसके और इसके बीच में. This was set up in 1905 and the first full-fledged agency got started in 1934. Yeah. Kushi and Ojaswita, will you put the message in the group that now no entry? Kushi, Ojaswita?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
No entry to the latecomers. So they should not be trying and disturbing me.
Launch of brands like Lux, Pears, Horlicks, Dalda in India.
Yes. So many brands were introduced, launched in our country by multinational company, Lever. And they are still available. Today they are owned by HUL, Lux, Inso, Pears, Horlicks, health drink, Dalda. Have you heard the name of Dalda? Anyone? What is Dalda, Kinnari?
Sir, actually I have heard this name first time.
First time. कौन बोल रहा है?
Sir, Kinnari.
किन्नरी. मम्मी है आजू बाजू में कि सोए हैं?
So yeah.
हैं?
May I
Or
answer?
it's ghee, right?
या कौन बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, Riddhi.
हैं?
Riddhi.
नाम बेटा सुना ही नहीं दे रहा है.
Sir, Riddhi.
रिद्धि.
Yes, sir. RIDDHI Riddhi.
रिद्धि what?
May I answer what is Dalda?
No. I want to ask you, but Riddhi what? Riddhi has got surname or not?
Riddhi Soni.
Riddhi Soni. Yeah. Riddhi. What is Dalda?
Dalda is the ghee.
Yes. Vegetable ghee. Don't say ghee. Ghee are of two types. Pure ghee and vegetable ghee. So Dalda is a vanaspati ghee, vegetable ghee. Yes. It is owned by HUL, Hindustan Unilever. जो कंपनी लक्स बनाती है, पेयर्स बनाती है, हॉर्लिक्स बनाती है आपके लिए. हॉर्लिक्स रिसेंटली उन्होंने लिया ग्लेक्सो से एंड वही कंपनी आपके लिए डालडा भी बनाती है बरसों से. येलो कलर का दिखाऊं आपको? डालडा का पैकिंग आपको देखना है तो लेट अस सी. Are you able to see it now, Kinnari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Though packaging has changed now, but they have still maintained yellow color. The old packing was there. Now this is a new kind of packaging. विकिपीडिया पे जाएंगे तो आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी उसकी। यस, अब वहां भी नया ही पैकिंग दिया है। This was the earliest those days packaging. हाँ? देख सकते हैं आप, देखो उसका ये भी देखो, बरसों बीत गया ऐसा लगता है। किन्नरी,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
किन्नरी
हाँ सर।
देखो ये पैकिंग, ये एल्यूमिनियम का टीन रहता था पैकिंग। Yes, I remember this. Colgate tooth powder was like this. Yes. Coming back to our point. Yes, Kinnari.
Yes, sir. The first.
जोर से किन्नरी, ईयर प्लग है तो कार्ड निकाल दो।
हाँ सर। The first multinational agency, J. Walter Thomas (JWT), was set up in 1926.
Yes, this was one of the oldest aid agency in the world. An American aid agency started its business in our country. JWT, J. Walter Thompson. It is one of the leading aid agencies in our country, and it got set up in 1926. Yes, next one.
Lever's International Advertising Service (LINTAS) was set up.
Yes, ये लीवर्स इंटरनेशनल एडवर्टाइजिंग सर्विस का ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिया है, लिंटास। टुडे इट इज नोन एज मुलेन लिंटास। It has collaborated with Mulen, but it is still there. It was started as an in-house agency by Lever, Hindustan Lever. Today it is not doing the work only of Hindustan Lever, it is doing the work of, so it is today it is not an in-house agency, it is taking the work of other clients as well. लीवर का एल लिया है, इंटरनेशनल का IN लिया है, एडवर्टाइजिंग INT लिया है, इंटरनेशनल का एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी का A एंड सर्विस का A. S, I'm sorry.
In 1939, it launched Dalda brand, a marketing campaign specifically developed for India.
Yes, in 1939, they started this Dalda brand marketing campaign exclusively for India, specially developed for India. Thank you, Kinnari. Khushi?
Yes, sir. Lux Soap signed Leela Tindal, a Bollywood actress, as its first brand ambassador in 1941.
आपका भी ईयर प्लग के साथ है?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, निकाल दो ना.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See the beautiful heroine of yesteryear, and she was the first to become the brand ambassador for Lux soap of Hindustan Unilever. And Lux ने बाद में tradition बना दी. Those heroines who were at the top at their time only would get a chance to become the brand ambassador for Lux advertisement. And उसका slogan था a beauty bar for film star. Kinnari, Khushi,
Yes.
Khadija,
Yes, sir.
yeah. A beauty bar for film star was like a tagline, a slogan. And she became the first Bollywood actress. See the black and white mein hai, but you can see the beauty of this Maharashtrian heroine. Then
Yes, sir.
so many came. Devika Rani came. Shobha Samarth, the nanny of Kajol. आपने नाम सुना है ना काजोल का? हाँ, अजय देवगन की वाइफ का. काजोल की माँ तनुजा, a मराठी वुमन. काजोल के फादर बंगाली थे, लेकिन माँ महाराष्ट्रियन. नूतन एंड तनुजा दोनों बहनें थी. मोनिश बहल, नूतन का लड़का, she married to a Punjabi gentleman, and Tanuja married to a Bengali gentleman. So Kajol and Tanisha, if I remember her sister. were born. But Shobha Samarth was a Maharashtrian heroine. देखो जनरेशन में खून में आया है एक्टिंग. शोभा समर्थ की दोनों बेटियां हीरोइन बनी, उसके बच्चे हीरो हीरोइन बने, मोहनीश बहल बने, काजोल बनी, like that way. So they were there. Then Wahida Rehman, Sharmila Tagore, Hema Malini, Rakhi, Jinnat Aman, Sridevi, Madhuri Dixit, and Aj, who is the brand ambassador today? Alia Bhatt is the brand ambassador for Lux, or Kareena Kapoor? Huh? Who is the brand ambassador currently of? I think it is Kareena. Kareena, yes. So all, they keep changing with the passage of time. If a heroine is a second class heroine, third class heroine, then they would not get a chance to become the brand ambassador. You have to be at the top.
Setting up of ad associations and clubs. Advertising Agencies Association of India, AAAI, is a national organization of ad agencies, was formed in 1945.
Yes, the very first body, the major association of all the advertising agencies came up in 1945, and it is headquartered at Mumbai. AAAI, Advertising Agencies Association of India. The parallel body in America is known as 4A, the American Advertising Agencies Association. दुनिया भर में अलग अलग देश में अपना अपना एजेंसी एसोसिएशन होता है. So there American starts with America first. Here we end with of India, AAAI.
The audit of circulations was founded in India in 1948.
Yes, it is pronounced as Bureau. Khushi? The Audit,
yes, sir.
the Audit Bureau of Circulation, ABC. It is also an international agency, a research organization, we can say. Media Research Organization was established in 1948 after India got freedom.
Advertising Club Calcutta, the oldest advertising club in India, was set up in 1953.
Yes.
In 1954, the Ad Club Mumbai was set up.
Yes. So two important clubs were set up in two important business centers, Kolkata and Mumbai, were set up, one after another.
Entry of radio and TV in India. Broadcasting began in June 1923 during the British Raj.
Yes. दुनिया में 1922 में रेडियो आया, एंड इंडिया में देखो थैंक्स टू ब्रिटिशर्स एक ही साल में रेडियो टेक्नोलॉजी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड.
According to an agreement in 1927, the private Indian Broadcasting Company (LTD) was authorized to operate two radio stations, the Bombay station and the Kolkata station.
यस, जैसे प्रीवियस स्लाइड में आपने बताया ना, एडवर्टाइजिंग क्लब वाज सेट अप इन कोलकाता एंड मुंबई. सिमिलरली रेडियो स्टेशंस फर्स्ट वर एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन दीस टू cities, two business centers in 1927 by a limited company, Indian Broadcasting Company Limited, IBC, and they started.
As the company went into liquidation in 1930, the government took over the broadcasting facilities.
Yes. So this company IBC went into bankruptcy, liquidation, बंद हो गई, देवाला निकाला. So the British government took over the broadcasting facilities.
It became All India Radio on 8 June 1936.
Yes, AIR, All India Radio. Her name was changed once again.
All India Radio became Akashvani in 1956.
Yes, so today we call it Akashvani. Yes.
In 1957, Vivid Bharati was set up and commercial ads started.
Yes. Have you heard, anybody heard about Vivid Bharati? Anyone? Nobody? Hello?
Sir, may I try?
Yeah.
Sir, I think it's a radio service.
It's a radio channel. Akashvani has got many channels. So Vivid Bharati is one of the commercial channels which was set up in 1957. So 43 years of previous century and 21 years of now. It has completed 68 years, Meghna. And it is providing music, songs and all these things throughout the day. They have so many centers throughout the country spread across to cater to the needs of the people of the country. So it's a commercial advertising you will find. Thank you, Meghna.
Thank you, sir.
आपने आपके घर में खुशी मोबाइल के अलावा रेडियो है, अलग सा रेडियो इंस्ट्रूमेंट?
No, sir.
आजकल लोग रखते नहीं है. Anybody? हाँ? किन्नरी? खदीजा? रईशा?
नहीं, sir.
बोलो ना.
I have, sir.
You have? What is your name?
Ojaswita, sir.
Ojaswita has got a radio. Very good, Ojaswita. Where the old radios, Ojaswita, occupying lot of space. जैसे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टेलीविजन आता था ना, ऐसे ओल्ड रेडियोस. बट नाउ स्मॉल साइज पॉकेट रेडियोस, ट्रांजिस्टर्स, दिस काइंड ऑफ साइज. कैन यू सी माय रेडियो, ओजस्विता?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is my company. I enjoy listening radio quite for a few hours. Yeah, बजता रहता है, काम होता रहता है. So, yeah. कुछ कह रहे हैं आप, ओजस्विता?
No, sir. No, sir.
नो, अभी तो पॉकेट रेडियो भी मिलता है मोबाइल की साइज का. यस. So Vivid Bharati was started. Khushi was reading, no?
Sir, yes.
Yeah. Ojaswita, you will read further from here.
Okay, sir. Doordarshan makes an entry. Doordarshan was established on 15 September 1959. Hello?
हाँ, बोलो बोलो, सुन रहा हूँ.
Television broadcast started in India under All India Radio as an experiment.
Yes. Doordarshan initially was not a separate body, separate organization. It was part of All India Radio. Can you imagine, Ojaswita, that in those days there was a license required? आपको मालूम है ना, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस की जरूरत पड़ती है आपको?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. सिमिलरली रेडियो घर में रखने के लिए एंड टीवी रखने के लिए आपको लाइसेंस लेना पड़ता था वो जमाने में. एंड 50 पैसा की रेवेन्यू स्टैम्प, गवर्नमेंट की स्टैम्प आती थी, वो लगा के पोस्ट ऑफिस में हम पैसा भरने जाते थे. I remember doing that. But of course, in 1 or 2 years, government removed, cancelled this, कि anybody can own it. देखो कितना समय बदल गया है 60 साल में. I have seen the license of Radio. We had a radio and I used to go in my native place to make the payment of license fee.
There were only two 1 hour programs in a week, each of 1 hour duration.
Yes, only two programs in a week of 1 hour duration, which was increased to few hours more on Sunday particularly. फार्मर्स के लिए प्रोग्राम आता था, न्यूज आता था, एंड हर संडे को पुरानी हिंदी फिल्म दिखाते थे, एंड इट वाज पीपल वेर वेरी ईगरली वेटिंग. आज 24 घंटा टीवी आपको मिलता है और आपको कंटाला आता है. हाँ ओजस्विता,
हाँ सर.
आज मैं देखता नहीं हूँ टीवी, बारिंग फ्यू थिंग्स आई डोंट वॉच, क्योंकि इतना बॉम्बार्डमेंट हो गया है. बट वो जमाने में छाया गीत करके बुधवार को एक आधा घंटे का गाने का प्रोग्राम, 45 मिनट्स, आई थिंक 40-45 मिनट्स, एंड हर संडे फिल्म आती थी. मैं बंबई में आया, इट वाज 1975 पहली दफे, for a marriage purpose at my relative's place. My mama used to say, my mother's brother used to stay in Khar Road, and my mama did not have television. Was a luxury. Ojaswita, everybody was not having TV, and uske neighbor ke ghar mein TV tha, black and white, and I saw my first TV film on television there at their neighbor's place. Yes, Ojaswita.
The Bombay Dyeing Company became.
ये बाकी है, ये पहले से बाकी है, ये पहले से बाकी.
Oh, sorry. In 1976, Doordarshan was separated from All India Radio.
Yes, it was initially started as a part of All India Radio. They were made two separate divisions.
In 1976, commercial television started.
Commercial television means taking advertisements, running advertisements.
1982, color transmission on TV started with the
Asiad Games. Yes, Asiad Games. India hosted that of all Asian countries. And till 1981, till these games started on television, the transmission was in black and white. Though the movie would be a color movie, but on television you would not see in color. So for the first time, color transmission started in 1982.
The Bombay Dyeing Company became the first color TV ad sponsor.
Have you heard the name of Bombay Dyeing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They sell bed sheets.
Yes, it is very popular for towels, napkins, bed sheets. Yes, one of the leading. This company was started by Parsi. It is owned by Parsi. The same company management is owning your famous food company, Britannia. Britannia and Bombay Dyeing, the owners are the same, Nestle Wadia Group.
The Ramayana TV serial created by Ramanand Sagar was aired during 1987 to 1988.
Yes, for the first time, because at the time there were only one channel, Doordarshan. So this serial was made by a famous film producer director Ramanand Sagar, and it got released in 1987.
The serial's viewership of 82% TRP, a record high for an Indian television series. Each episode reportedly earned Doordarshan rupees 40 lakhs at that time.
Yes. TRP, television rating points, that shows the popularity. Today there are so many channels. तो आज किसी का TRP 10% है ना, तो भी वो ज्यादा माना जाता है. 15% तो बहुत. But वो जमाने में the channel was only one, government's own monopoly, and Ramayana serial got 82% throughout, and it is considered the record. And each episode brought a revenue of 40 lakhs at that time, an income of ad revenue to Doordarshan.
Mahabharat, the 94th episode Hindi serial of B.R. Chopra, was telecast from 2nd October 1988 to 15 July 1990 on DD National Channel.
Yes. This was the second very long channel of epic Mahabharat, which was made by the elder brother of Yash Chopra, B.R. Chopra. And it was aired for 94, so almost 1.5 years, from October 88 to July 90, you can see. Very popular, and whenever Sunday सुबह के टाइम पे आती थी ये दोनों सीरियल, जभी भी सीरियल आती थी वो टाइम पे you would find roads were deserted. There were hardly people walking on the roads because people were watching this serial. And trains, buses में आराम से जगह मिल जाती थी वो टाइम पे आप निकलेंगे तो. This was the situation with that time. Yeah, thank you, Ojaswita. Who would like to read this? Any new student?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, what's your name, dear?
Mansoori Nikhat.
Yeah?
Mansoori Nikhat.
Nikhat Mansoori. Nikhat ji, बोलिए.
Emergency of FM
इमरजेंसी नहीं है बेटा, इमरजेंसी नहीं है. देखो देखो.
Emergency.
हाँ, इमरजेंसी का मीनिंग अलग हो जाता है. इमरजेंस, इमरजेंस.
Sorry.
Emergence means beginning, introduction. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Emergence of FM radio and satellite channels.
Yes. Till previous slide, radio and television were controlled by government. But 1992 onwards, government liberalized economic policy, and along with that, you could see the liberalization in radio and television. So many private radio channels like Radio Mirchi came into existence. Private satellite channels came in our country from foreign countries. And our own channel also started. Nikhat?
1990 FM radio and emergence of satellite TV. 1990 marked the beginning of new medium internet. Ad agencies open up and go virtual with websites and internet advertising. 1991 first India targeted satellite channel started with Zee TV start broadcasting.
Yes. Zee Cinema, Zee TV. The parent company Zee TV started its operations in India as a first private channel, satellite channel in 1991.
Movie channels and pay channels started.
Yes, separate movie channels and pay channels. If you want, you will have to pay for this. If you want a package of 10 channels, you will have to pay like this. So your cable operator will demand some more money for this.
In 1993, India's only advertising school, MICA, Mudra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad, is born.
Yes, it is at Ahmedabad, Mudra Institute. In short form, we call it MICA, M-I-C-A. It was established in 1993 by Reliance Group. Anil Ambani is the presently in the management of this. One of the finest institutes in the field of advertising is MICA. And there is a cutthroat competition to get admission here. You don't have to look out for the jobs. Once you get into these, jobs will come searching for you. So in case after doing your TY BA, if anybody is interested in making a career in advertising, particularly those who are doing a course in psychology, Khadija, Kushi, Moksha, and many more might be interested in doing TYBA in psychology. There is a lot of connection between psychology and advertising. But उसके अलावा एक ही important quality चाहिए आप में, चाहे आप ज्योग्राफी पढ़ो, इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ो, साइकोलॉजी पढ़ो, कॉमर्स पढ़ो, साइंस पढ़ो, एक ही क्वालिटी है एडवर्टाइजिंग फील्ड में सफल होने के लिए कि यू शुड बी हटेला. चार्मी बलसारा,
Yes, sir.
हटेला होना मतलब क्या?
I think you should have that spark in yourself.
हटेला होना, कोई आपको कहेगा कि चार्मी हटेली है, उसका मतलब मैं कहूंगा कि हटके सोचने वाली, कुछ अलग सोचने वाली. सब लोग सोचेंगे ऐसा, एडवर्टाइजर्स नहीं सोचते. वो कान ऐसे नहीं पकड़ेंगे, कान ऐसे पकड़ाएंगे हमको उल्टा. आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग जिसको हम कहते हैं चार्मी. यस, समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग इनोवेटिव, समथिंग क्रिएटिव, दैट इज एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो आप में वो स्पार्क है. यदि आपको लगता है कि आप में वो क्रिएटिव आइडियाज भरे पड़े हैं, हटे हुए आइडियाज है, I think you are a right fit for advertising. And there is a lot of money. Please remember, if you are doing good, in 5 years you can be earning minimum 6-figure salary. 6-figure salary minimum is starting with 1 lakh. 5 साल में या 6 साल में आप सिंसियरली काम करेंगे तो लाख रुपया की सैलरी मिल सकती है with ad agencies like JWT, Lintas, मुद्रा की एड एजेंसी भी है. नैतिक चेड़ा, आर यू देयर? नैतिक?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are the CR, no, of A division, along with
Yes,
Kushi.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yes, निखत.
1996, the ad fraternity.
Ad fraternity. Yeah, ad fraternity.
Ad fraternity win for the first time by bagging 3 awards at the 43rd International Advertising Festival at Cannes, France.
Yes, Cannes. It is pronounced as Cannes, Nikhil.
Cannes, France.
Yes. Have you heard the name of Cannes Film Festival? Anyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Who said yes? Hello. Hello. Who said yes?
Sir, Moksha.
Moksha. Thank you, Moksha. Similarly, before the film festival happens, जैसे हॉलीवुड का है उसके पहले फ्रांस में भी होता है निखत, वैसे ही एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए भी देयर इज अ कंपटीशन एंड वर्ल्ड्स एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज पार्टिसिपेट विद देयर वर्क. So in 1996, fraternity means group, family, that kind of things. The ad fraternity wins for the first time by bagging 3 awards at the 43rd International Advertising Festival organized at Cannes, France. It is in France. Cannes is the name of city, like Mumbai in India. Cannes is the name of a city, famous for cultural kind of things. Yes, Nikhat, next line.
Sun TV becomes the first regional TV channel to go live 24 hours.
Yes, Sun TV, which is based at Chennai, it is owned by politicians. एंड जो आईपीएल का थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं तो हैदराबाद की टीम का नाम है सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद. हाँ, आर यू अवेयर मोक्षा? सनराइजर्स, या सनराइजर्स. वो सनराइजर्स, that IPL channel, IPL team of Hyderabad also is sponsored by these, owned by these. जैसे Mumbai Indians is owned by Mukesh Ambani's Reliance. Same way, Sun TV is in charge of. They are into publication business. TV and newspapers of Chennai are published by Sun TV. First regional TV channel to go live 24 hours. Thank you, Nikat. Raisha? Raisha?
Yes, sir.
Raisha?
Yes.
Yeah, पढ़िए.
Media boom.
कान में ईयर प्लग है तो निकाल दो. अभी पढ़ो.
Media boom.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा. और नीचे देखो आपका स्पीकर का साइज फुल कर दो.
Fully, yes, sir.
बोलिए, बोलो अभी.
Media boom.
या बूम मीन्स तेजी, ग्रोथ, मीडिया ग्रोथ, मीडिया बूम.
1997 media boom with the growth of cable and satellite.
ये सब आपके जन्म के पहले हो रहा था. राइशा, खदीजा, you people I think are born in 2000 or 2001?
2002.
2002. Okay, 2002. All these things happened before you. You have not seen all these things. That's why I had to share. कि देख लो भाई रेडियो का पिक्चर, फोटोग्राफ, डालडा घी का डब्बा कैसे आता था वो जमाने में. Aisha?
Print medium, newspaper and magazines sees growth, especially in specialized area.
Yes, print medium. Print media that includes basically newspapers and magazines has seen the growth, especially in specialized areas. There are exclusive newspapers for sports, exclusive newspapers for business. This is that paper, Economic Times. It is not, it is Times of India group, but Times of India is basically more political side, general side. This is mainly on business and economics. There are exclusive magazines for women, for children, for sports, for computers, for watches, for automobiles. Exclusive magazines are available only for automobiles, for photography. So if you are into the business of photography, you may subscribe to that magazine. Exclusive magazines are available nowadays.
Exclusive TV channels for sports, movies, music, fashion, history, and animal businesses, etc.
Yes, history and animals, Planet TV, history channel, geographic channel, they are for that. Exclusive business channels like CNBC, ET Awaaz, ET Business. Yes, they are exclusive for business. Z Business, जैसे Z Cinema है वैसे Z Business channel भी है. Exclusive channels, more than 10 channels for sports, more than 25 to 30 channels for Hindi movies and English movies, exclusive English movie channels, exclusive Hindi movie channels, exclusive Bengali movie channels, Gujarati movie channels, Marathi movie channels. MTV and VTV are exclusive music channels. Raisha, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Raisha? Yeah. There are exclusive channels for fashion. पूरे दिन फैशन का ही अलग अलग फैशन शो का इंफॉर्मेशन आता रहता है, नई नई फैशन के बारे में, अलग अलग टाइप्स ऑफ गारमेंट्स के बारे में.
Advertising on the internet gains popularity.
Anushka here, sorry to interrupt.
बोलो ना, बोलो.
Yes, sir, actually, my father sent me two videos. These were the old advertising videos. One was about Luna motorcycle that had been introduced,
Yeah.
and the other was for Bajaj Light.
Okay. I also have it. We will share it. You can send it to me. Yeah, so you can share it. No issue. Okay. You want to share it now?
As you say, sir.
No issue. Just a minute. Yeah. Share. No problem. Anushka. Anushka, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So is it visible?
No. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do one thing. You can send it to me. Okay, you can mail me on my you first send me your phone number, WhatsApp number. I will send my WhatsApp. I will send my email ID where you can send it. Khushi,
Yes, sir.
you can share my telephone number with Anushka later on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and next lecture, not tomorrow, maybe we will be doing it. I also will be sharing some of the beautiful work of advertising collections I have.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rashida is done, no, I think.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Anushka, you will read further?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anushka?
So your screen isn't visible.
बंद हो गया?
Sir, it's visible for us.
अच्छा. दोनों डिवीजन में दिख रहा है मेरा स्क्रीन?
Sir, it's not visible for A division.
It's not visible for A division. But I have not stopped presenting.
Sir, it's visible.
It's visible. Anushka, are you able to see now?
No, sir. In B division, I'm not able to see.
B division, you are not able to see. Let me check. No, अच्छा resume कर देते.
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to see.
Yeah, Anushka.